Hi, it's Sage reporting for Kalkine Media. You're watching Kalkine Media's mid-market show. Price-sensitive updates today. ASX 200 was higher by nearly 16 points at noon. The index had opened on a positive note on Tuesday and recovery has been extended post-afternoon. Sectors that are leading ASX 200 index include energy, materials, A-REIT and industrials. Sectors with losses included information technology, consumer discretionary, telecommunication services, consumer staples and utilities. The best performing stocks in the ASX 200 were corporate travel management, AUB Group, Oil Search, Bank of Queensland and Adbri Ltd. Some of the worst performing shares were Austal Ltd, Perenti Global Ltd, Afterpay Ltd, Lynas Rare Earths and Domino's Pizza. In market news today, Bank of Queensland acquired the Melbourne-based digital lender ME Bank, or Members Equity Bank, for Australian $1.33 billion. The acquisition took place to double the size of Brisbane-based regional bank's retail arm. Apart from that, the bank also anticipated an increase in customer base, particularly in the East Coast region. Its share price traded 8.80% higher today at $9.15 Australian at noon. Today, mining services company Perenti Global Ltd announced the loss of Australian $63.8 million for the first half of the financial year 2021 amid challenges due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which negatively hit its international operations. Perenti's board declared an interim dividend of 3.5 cents per share on the 7th of April 2021. Its share price today was down 9.79% and trading at Australian $1.29 during the mid-market trading session. Sustainable packaging solutions company Vocus Group has posted a small profit of $66,000 in the first half earnings report. Its share price was trading at 0.31 cents Australian today at noon. Vocus Group is leveraged to demand sustainable products. Moreover, its focus on biopolymer products has given earnings visibility. International telecommunications company Vocus Group Ltd has provided an update on the non-indicative proposal by MIRA funds to acquire the company at $5.50 per share. It was reported that MIRA funds have agreed on a cooperation agreement with Aware Super. Vocus Group share price was down 0.50%, trading at $4.96 Australian today during the mid-market session. Specialist surface engineering company LaserBond Limited registered growth in all key metrics during the 6 months ended 31st December 2020, highlighting that the business withstood the pandemic effects. Its revenue totaled Australian $11.8 million. The board also declared an interim dividend of 0.6 cents per share. Its share price was down 6.67%, trading at 56 cents Australian by lunchtime. Employment marketplace giant Seek Limited reported net profit after tax down 8% to Australian $69.7 million and revenue down 7% to $826 million in its half-yearly financial results for the period ending on 31st December 2020. The company didn't declare an interim dividend. Seek also informed market that its MD and CEO, Andrew Bassat, will step down and will be succeeded by Ian Narev, effective 1st July 2021. Seek announced to be in discussions to acquire an ownership interest in Zhaopin. Its share price is down 8.60% and was trading at $27.73 Australian at noon. Australian engineering company Worley Limited has been awarded a FEED contract from 1.5 Inc. Under the deal, the company will work on 1.5's first DAC unit for its DAC facility. Worley also reported half-year 2021 results. Its revenue is down $498 million compared to $5,998 million. Board has declared an interim dividend of 25 cents per share. Its share price has increased by 4.55%, reaching $11.02 Australian by mid-market trading session. Investment company WAM Microcap Ltd announced a 155.2% increase in operating profit before tax to $69.6 million and a 149.9% increase in operating profit after tax to $49.2 million in its financial year 2021 half-year results. Moreover, WAM board also declared a fully franked interim dividend of 4.0 cents per share, representing a 33.3% increase. Its share price traded 0.51% higher at Australian $1.96 by lunchtime. Australia-based building services company Johns Lyng Group Limited has provided a forecast revenue and earnings upgrade for financial year 2021. Its share price was trading 0.91% higher at Australian $3.33 at noon. The company has delivered strong earnings growth with a 38% increase in first half earnings. The company has upgraded its full year estimates now. It now expects a full year EBITDA of $47.4 million, while the revenue forecast is $524.4 million. Johns Lyng has declared 2.2 cents per share interim dividend. Thanks for watching Sage Reporting for Kalkine Media.